In front of me is the DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner, and to add an audio file, select Files. Then hit Audio at the top. Select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources, and this way find your file. When you find it, click on it to attach it. If you wish to add a video one, click on this icon of a camera and the photo instead. Look for your video and click on it to add it. If you can't find it here, you can also add it by clicking on Folders and looking for it the same way as you would an audio file. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!